Hey, in this video, we're going to discuss how to build an income so you can quit your job in as little as 6 months. It may take a year, but I'm going to show you the four-step process on what you can do today that's going to align yourself to at least have supplemental income by month 6. My name is Nehemiah Jeffrey. I've been an entrepreneur for a very long time. I've invested in many different types of businesses. I remember I was a broker here in New York City. I fix and flip homes. I did Airbnb. Currently, I own and operate retail stores here in Brooklyn. And so I'm going to tell you some things that's really going to help you out from my own experience, from all my successes and failures. By the way, hit the subscribe button to get content just like this. So the number one thing you got to realize is that you need to never trade time for money. Now, what does this mean? It means if you have a job, which most likely you do, then you can't say to yourself, okay, I'm making 20 bucks an hour, and if I work 60-hour work weeks, I'll be able to make more income for myself. That is incorrect thinking. You will never become a millionaire or billionaire with that type of thinking. You have to think, how can I build a business that can be on autopilot so it can run automatically without me ever have to lift a finger, right? That is the mindset to have. And the way to do that is, you guess, you have to build out a system. So in this video, I'm explaining to you what that system is. The first thing to do is that you have to pick a business you want to get into. Now, the business, I like service businesses. So let's say we take a business like credit repair, right? A lot of people need credit repair. So your objective would be, okay, how can I understand how credit repair works? And who do I need to talk to understand how to create a business around credit repair? So what you got to do is just first allocate time in your schedule to do it. So you need to be working 4 hours a day, each day, on your business side income. You need to work 2 hours in the morning time from 5 to 7 and 2 hours in the evening time from 9 to 11, because you have to dedicate that permanent time each day to doing it, because you have to do it. So once you understand, credit repair, now the first thing you got to do is get a website, right? Get a website, go to Bluehost, create a free website. Second thing is you have to run Google local service ads. Google local service ads going to help you market to that particular community that you're in. You also going to get a post office a P.O. box with your address for the service you're going to do business in. So you're going to say, okay, I'm in Tallahassee, Tennessee. I don't know, I just made it up. Tallahassee, Tennessee. I do credit repair in Tallahassee, Tennessee. You're going to get a P.O. box in Tallahassee, Tennessee. And now when people look up credit repair near me, your name is going to pop up in the Google search box, right? You see how that works? Now, yes, you have to pay for those ads, but it's paid per ad, not paid per click with Google local service ads. So apply for Google local service ads. Do everything they need you to do. You want to get insurance, you want to get the LLC, you got to get your bank account, you got to get all the requirements. Figure it out. Go on YouTube and figure out how to do it. The next thing is you have to find someone who is really good at doing credit repair, because you don't want to be the person that's doing credit repair. That's not your expertise. Your expertise is putting it planned together. So you look for experts that already do credit repair at a high level, that know how to do it, that can do it easily. And what you do is once you get those ads from Google local service ads, you send them to that particular company, and that company will do all the work for you. They will improve the client's credit. They will consult the client to get them where they got to be at. And you will pay that particular company based on the proceeds you get from the client that's paying you. The name of the game is recurring revenue at the end of the day. You don't want to just have a client to pay you one time. You want them to pay you every single month consistently. So once that happens, the fourth step to all of this is that you want to automate everything, right? So there's a company called Housecall Pro, and some companies are similar to them, but Housecall Pro is one of the best companies you can use to automate your entire system. So essentially, Housecall Pro will do the invoicing for you. They will set the calendar with your client for you. They would also send text messages and emails to the clients that you have that's recurring. And also, any client that sign up will get a first-time email or text message stating who you are, what you do, and the services that you offer. I mean, not who you are, but your company and what the company does. And so once that happened, now you're in good flow. Now, this business process, right? We think about the process of all this, the 4-step process can be done with any type of business. So it doesn't necessarily need to be credit repair. You can be a handyman, you can be road cleaning, you can do website design, you can do IT tech, you can do electrical, plumbing, the list goes on and on and on. As long as it's a service business, you can do it. Now, you can also do this with e-commerce, but e-commerce is a whole other ball game, but it's not bad to do as well. But this is how it's done. Hopefully you learned something. Until the next time, folks. Peace.